Hello, my name is Olivia Yoder, and I am a current freshman at UC Davis studying biological sciences. And I'm excited to read you my book, Fig the Flightless Duck, written by Olivia Yoder and illustrated by Katie Yoder. Fig is a flightless duck. She could swim, eat, and even play dress up. But she just couldn't fly. Fig was scared to play with the other ducklings because her wings looked different from theirs. But then one lovely day, Fig met the angel wing queen. The queen noticed that Fig looked lonely, so she invited her to go for a swim around the kingdom. Did you know that I can't fly either? Asked the angel wing queen. It is because of our beautiful pointed wings. But why are our wings so different from everyone else's? Questioned Fig. It is because of a biological process called genetics, and it makes every single duck special, responded the queen. Genetics starts in your billions of tiny somatic cells. Fig's facts. Cells, the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. They make up every living thing, including you. Somatic cells. Soma means body, so these are the cells that make up your body, from your skin to your eyes. If you zoom in even further, there are wavy strands of DNA. Let's learn how it is formed by making some DNA necklaces, exclaimed the queen. Activity: make a DNA strand with the queen and Fig. Flip to the back of the book. The DNA forms a double helix made of bases called adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Think about matching the letters A to T and G to C. Together, these strings of DNA make up your genotype, which is like the instructions in a cookbook. They tell you how to look and act. Everyone's genotype is unique. But why exactly do our wings look so different? Fig curiously asked. Great question, Fig. Your genotype tells your body how to look and develop, and these physical traits like wing shape, eye color, and feather pattern are called your phenotypes. Let's look at the fox family by the creek. Do you see how the mother fox has large ears and the father fox has black fur on his two front legs? Now look at their son. He has both the large ears and the black fur on his legs. Those are his special phenotypes. Fig observed. Fantastic job, Fig. This is because each living thing gets half of its DNA from the mom and combines with half the DNA from the dad. This passing of genes is called heredity. Fig's facts. Genes, a region of DNA which contains the instructions for certain traits and behaviors. You get a special combination of genes from your parents. Heredity, the passing of traits from parents to their offspring, or children. The cells of the children inherit the genetic information of their parents. Geneticists use Punnett squares to show which combination of traits you receive from your parents. And your genotype picks which traits will be expressed or shown in your body. The Queen's question: can you spot the pattern for filling out Punnett squares? But neither of my parents have angel wings, so why do I? Fig wondered. I had the same question when I was younger too, replied the Queen. Let's learn about it together. Remember how your genotype picks which traits show up in your phenotype? Well, sometimes the environment around you can influence which traits the genotype picks and expresses. These are called environmental traits. The bread you ate when you were a duckling affected some of the proteins in charge of activating certain genes, explained the Queen. Fig's facts. Proteins. These are complex substances that correspond to the encoded instructions in your DNA. Proteins help the body look and function according to the DNA's instructions. Although bread tastes good, snacking on it too much while you are still growing can cause your gene for angel wings to be clicked on like a light bulb. The Queen's question: do you think you should feed ducks bread? Check the back of the book for foods you can feed ducks. Now, the most important lesson I want you to learn is that everyone has their differences, and you are beautiful just the way you are, angel wings and all. With the help of the angel wing queen and her new knowledge of genetics, Fig now felt confident playing with the other ducks. The end. This is the angel wing duck at UC Davis who inspired the story. And then here's the glossary if you want to pause and read some more about some of the scientific terms I used. And then we have the DNA chain activity, which again, you can pause and follow along with that if you would like. And then we have some healthy food options for ducks. And lastly, we have the creators behind this book. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed.